There are 5 stocks I'm watching for February 24th on Tuesday, and here's what they are. The first stock I'm going to be watching is on Enphase. I think this has a nice post-earnings gap setup. As you can see, we had a huge gap after the earnings on strong numbers, and we are now setting up again here as it let the price come down and basically retested these moving averages here, reclaiming the 8 EMA today on a strong close. And if this can break out over 47.40, I like this for upside to get back to the 50s and then potentially 52, which is that high up there. Another stock I'm going to be watching is on Dollar General. This has been one of the strongest stocks in the market over the last few weeks, along with the entire sector as a whole. And this is probably the strongest stock in that sector. So if this can break out over this little 5-6 day flag here, I like this for continuation to get to the 160s. I'm also going to be watching Meta to the downside as the NASDAQ and tech as a whole has been super weak. So I think this has potential for more continuation to the downside if it breaks under this flag here. If we can break under 630, 625, this has a lot of room down to the 600s. So I'll be watching this for the downside. The next stock I'm going to be watching is on FCX. This has a very similar setup to that GLD setup from yesterday, which absolutely printed. So I'm going to be doing the same thing here. If this can get over 65.5, I like this for upside to get back to the 70s. I'm also going to be putting XOM on the side watch for me. If this can break out of this flag, this has been one of the strongest stocks in the market over the last few months, just absolutely ripping. So let's see if this can continue the strength over this 150, 152 spot to get to the 160s.